Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, I have to tell you something. I think I am drug addicted and I talk about the ticker drug, guys. Bright Mind Biosenses here. Yeah guys, we had here a massive squeeze of 6,372%. My members went wild here behind the scenes, so that's why I give you here a video prediction or price prediction here based on the chart. This is of course guys not financial advice. Yeah, I can just tell you one thing. Don't become a drug addicted. Don't FOMO in. Yeah, this is what I just can recommend. Yeah, if you understand how the algos works. And I didn't have this one here on my radar, to be honest. Yeah, that surprised me here. But we can, of course, check the chart if the price action here is a surprise or if this was also measurable. That's why I give you here my update based on the chart and my prediction. And as I said, this is not financial advice. Yeah guys, in total we went here almost from 93 cents. We had here a pump when we see the pre and after market price action here for this ticker. We had a squeeze in total of 6,372% in more or less 1 or 2 trading days, guys. Yeah, you can see the overall price movement is showing here 1,445%, but we can see that the pre and after market price, so the peak which we had here was at $59.84 here in this range, and that is a squeeze of 6,300%. Congratulations to everybody who caught the squeeze and got in here in the right time and sold the position. So I want to share now with you what is possible here based on the chart, and this is of course a very quick video because we have not that much price action here. So what we know that we have some kind of ninja chart set up here, also caused by the split. So when we enable here for a second the indicators, then we know we had here a stock split, and this ticker more or less started to trade here based on TradingView at 0.0001 cent. And then squeezed also guys back here at $59. So this is not a coincidence here that the price went back in this area, but as I said, that could be a glitch here because of TradingView that was back here in 2021. And as you know guys, a lot of stocks had their peak in November 2021. That was the moment where the bear market started. So let's dive in here now. We have just two things what we can measure here. I show you the price levels. It's very simple to read. Guys, as I said, don't FOMO in here. We have a lot of short squeezes in the market. Even this one here is an extraordinary one, but I always release here my hot stock videos, guys. Yeah, if you want to see some tickers with high squeeze potential, you can check out here my hot stock videos. I try to predict here short squeezes every day or every week. This is what also is one of the main purpose here of my channel. I love that. That's why I also give you here the prediction on drug, but I love to trade short squeeze stocks, and as I said, I always try to predict them. We had two short squeeze or squeezes in the past weeks here guys, or just last week one of my hot stocks squeezed 270%. You can see this was the day when I released my video, and then just 2 days later this ticker started to pump. I know guys, 270% sounds like nothing compared to 6,000%, but guys, this is also a lot of profits here in just 2 trading days. And the week before, 2 of my hot stocks squeezed, and the bigger one was this one here. Also Sunday was my video release as usual. We had our buying liquidity zones here with the bottom of the trend channel pattern, and then boom, kamikaze, we had here 236%. So if you want to see those tickers guys, you can of course join in here our trading community. The much more or the most popular membership which I have is here the full package membership on Patreon. A lot of members joining in here every day guys. So yeah, if you want to be a part of that guys, I can just recommend that. You can see all the benefits here which you get, and this is what the members choose here for to become a member here of this trading community. If you also want to join in, it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, my friends, the links are here in the video description. So let's talk about drug guys. Yeah, we have here 2 Fibonacci retracements. So what I want to show you is, was this squeeze measurable? Yes guys, it was measurable. At least we could know that based on these price actions which we had, we don't see here any dilution in the volume chart. So when you see here the candles guys, very low, and we have just 2 big volume spikes here in the chart. One here after the stock split, we had here one stock split to 125 back in July 2023, and now you can see we have here massive volume If you don't know how these short squeezes work, guys, usually we have here stocks with very, very low float. So we have here a float of 3 million shares for drug. This is here Fintel, guys, where you can also check the float. And we have just 3 million shares. The official reported float is just 3 million shares. So how the hell is this even possible? You can see here in the corner the volume for drug for this ticker here. Guys, 56 million volume. When the float is just 3 million, how in the world is this possible, guys? Yeah, people would say these are naked shorts. Yeah, make your own decision, guys. I know what is going on here behind the scenes, but it is not allowed to talk here about potential market manipulation or stuff like that. So make your own due diligence here, but this is, of course, this is not matching up with the actual float. And what happens, of course, now when you have price actions like that, and this is the good news now, guys, there is no reason to FOMO in. There will be a post squeeze, 100% there will be a post squeeze, so that's why I give you here the price level. So what was predictable is that this ticker had the chance to come up here from 90 cents at least back to $16 and $17.89. This is the price ranges which we usually have here, the so-called golden pocket. And of course you can see we went over this here with the 4 hours chart. You can see the candle touched exactly here, the first candle. I'm sorry, I will zoom in for you guys. That is a little bit small. So you can see we went up here. This candle here, this candle wick, I talk about this candle, was exactly here between this golden pocket. That was the previous move, which was measurable, and then the market makers or whoever made this kind of pump and dump here decided to say, okay, we continue to squeeze. And as my members know, guys, we have here so-called make it or break it price levels in the chart. And one of those make it or break it price levels are always the Fibonacci retracements. And one of the retracements, which was a price goal. So I made also an inverted retracement here for you to measure how high we could squeeze, because we have two scenarios. Scenario one, drug goes just crazy and continue to squeeze today. I will give you the price levels to the upside, but the biggest point of resistance was this red line here, $36.17, guys. Yeah, I think when we can continue to squeeze today in the pre-market or in the normal trading hours, and we stay over $35.89 or $36.17, let's make it simple, guys, $36, then we can continue to squeeze. And the next price levels here for drug is $47, $55 and $75. In absolute best case, yeah, we could even see $94. Guys, I would never FOMO in stocks like that. So this is not to hype you up. This is not to, you know, guys, I would never buy the stock right now. But where we could potentially buy, or where you could potentially buy, this is not financial advice here, just what the chart is telling us. We will see a pullback usually after spikes like that. And these pullbacks here come back to the Fibonacci levels here. The 786 is one of them. So I think here between $13 and in worst case $7. Yeah, this is a huge volatility range here, because we had here a 6,000% squeeze, guys. But this is here how I may trade this stock. Of course, if they just start to dilute now the ticker like a price action like that, then of course not. But if we don't see here a dilution, guys, I would even draw it like this. Yeah. So this is what I expect here to happen next, that we come back here in this blue box between $13. Let me mark that for you guys, $30.65 and $6. I know this is a 50%, more than 50% volatility range, but that is what it is, guys. This is what the chart is telling us here. Don't forget, yeah, everything what goes quick up comes quick down, but you can see that here as well. We can make a really quick retracement together here, that you see how that works. I will delete this here and I show you what happened, because we had our post squeeze here as well. So when drug started to squeeze here, zack, so we had this squeeze here, 480%. We make a quick Fibonacci retracement, and usually you always retest the golden pocket. And you can see, guys, also here the market makers, yeah, made a fake out here. This is the level where we usually retrace back to the 786, and just one candle here in the 4 hours chart, guys, not in the daily chart, closed below that line here. And then you can see immediately the post squeeze started. And as I said, the purpose is to close the golden pocket. Here we went a little bit higher, and that's it, guys. Yeah, you can see, yes, again, a post squeeze here. That is everything related here on the volume. That's why I say there will be 1 or 2 more squeezes for drug. But if we want to continue to squeeze, if we really want to see here prices of $50, $60, $70 or higher, we need to close over $36 in my opinion. As I said, guys, yeah, there are many opportunities in the market. The good thing is, yeah, there are some other stocks squeezing here in the background. And when you have squeezes like that, that usually means that the market starts to pump, guys. Yeah, we had no pullback in September, almost no pullback. September is a very bearish month. And when you see something like this happen, guys, that means we will see a lot of short squeezes this year in the market. Yeah, especially for the usually prime suspects. You know which stocks I'm talking about. You can see all the videos here on my channel. You will find out which stocks I mean. And the secret stocks, of course, guys, are available here for my community members only. So you can also check that out here on Patreon. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy the price levels here for this ticker drug, yeah, I try to recover this Fibonacci retracement here for a second. Zack, 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 where you are. So, no, still not there. Give me a second. So I clicked so many times. So by the way, guys, anyhow, just keep in mind when we close over $36, guys, this is the price level where the pump gets triggered, where we could squeeze. Otherwise, I expect here that we come back here down in this price range here. Don't forget to get advantage here of my TradingView link and the price levels here to the upside. Of course, the all-time high was here around $60, but as I said, until $95 here in this range, everything would be still a technical squeeze. And when we really should squeeze over $95, guys, yeah, then I will do a new video here on drug. Guys, I wish you great success with drug. If you also want to get TradingView, guys, you see this is TradingView here, the program. Use my discount link here in the video description. When you use my link, you save $15. And I always recommend the premium tier for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, good luck with drug. If you caught the squeeze, congratulations on your big profits. And if you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Guys, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Viel Erfolg mit Drug und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.